The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
It's a good life.
Yeah man, Jamaica good life. I don't know, just step on the wharf, yeah. Some barrel and things.
Yeah.
I don't know it was Jamaica good life to say.
Over here, so
Hello. Yeah, this is a good nice game to business vibes. Come here.
We do what we
What do you mean? A good life.
I'll be there. Yeah man.
A good life.
A good life. A good sister. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good and sister.
Yeah.
It's a real general.
Yeah man. Big up Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
So big up
Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
Big up Randy.
Randy.
Chubby Jet. Kaya. The whole family.
The whole fraternity. Good life.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Right. Let's go with general. How far you go?
Don't want happy.
Oh, no, Jacob.
Good life. Oh.
They are in England too long, we have to cover Jamaica and live good life.
Oh. The good fun and spin.
You can't live good life in England, I just work your way.
Me?
Cameraman, you know the steps.
They don't know me, they are living a good life already.
Yeah. Tropical life.
Caribbean life.
Island life.
So big up Jamaica good life. Markland, not Talkland. How for there? You know the thing go. Them say Jamaica good life, but they know say good life.
Good life, man. I'm going to say a good life.
Good life.
Alright.
See the banana in the truck there? You see me? Good life
The greens
settings.
over there, so same way.
And the
But I
greens,
like
same
a walk there anyway.
Yeah. See that? Wow for there.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica good life. Wow settings. And all them things. Get it. There's a Jamaica good life.
It's up and running.
Yeah, Jamaica good life. Is it?
Outside, yeah,
Yeah.
production. The whole thing is here, Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
Up top, I say,
Yeah, Jamaica good life. I get some apple man.
yeah, man, Jamaica
Yeah, man.
good life. Way up here.
Way up.
Jamaica,
See
yeah,
that?
welcome, now.
Good life settings. You get used in this?
Yeah,
You know what? Alright. Alright then. Yeah. Yeah, Jamaica good life.
Jamaica land
We love. Oh. Say Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life.
Alright.
Jamaica good life.
Okay. Stick. Blessed for that.
Jamaica good life.
Big up.
Yes, so Danny, tell them. Where's that feel business?
I buy and peel it. Say no and share, I go buy and peel some. Same crazy thing. I think it's
Of course, you have to learn. You're not too old to learn.
You're not too early for learn.
I do a program.
Yeah,
lifestyle.
Come now. Yo, listen up.
No man, yeah, it's just like this, you know.
Yo, more than one day, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, come a local thing you want.
A local thing you want.
No, me a ball of foreign link last time.
Yo, Lamina.
Can't too much.
Yo, Lamina boy.
Wow.
Yo.
Of course, I'm gonna look younger. Don't lie, I'm gonna look younger.
We are down in the place. Foundation man, you know. Down is J. Them know sir. Top striker. Them man run up the water party. See mango tree, I even on it. The good life.
Tell him say that.
Yeah. No mango not there now. Say, you meet out the whole life.
50 years to my town, say man. 50 years to my say man, chop it down and learn to chop it down. I know say the life in the
See it here, mango tree. And a mango time is. Yeah, so come back. So you have Aki tree here. You know what them feel like? In a sea view.
monkey and a fish.
26th century.
I don't know.
26th. I'm going to have a bad and look at
Yeah, man, your body's a shit, man.
Body up.
Man, well,
She said Jamaica have good life. Look on the father there, start teaching that and make sure say itself. She get her further education. Hey, she read.
Out of Korea. Right Sharma. Channel 8 more. Sharma Korea.
Shaman they get more chance, they have a goal to get chance. Yeah. But Shaman now get no chance.
Jake, where are you? Yeah, run from the video, fam. We are the for the video. Say Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life.
Oh. Look at my friend. Oh, I go on. Oh, I go on. Say Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life.
My friend, this, you know. You see me? Why you go school already?
Yeah.
So I go on. You good though?
Yeah.
You remember you're shy up and you always go like you're a tough man, eh? You're not tough now. You eat all the whole of the food. Eh? The whole of the food you eat off. So I go on though.
No.
Give me some sweet, you know.
No.
No candy.
No.
Jake, you're the young dancer, you know.
Yeah.
Can I dance again?
Jake, you're a bad boy, man.
Put down dancing.
So you're still in school though? Yeah, you do good in school.
Yeah.
No.
You don't got this.
Nuggets.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah.
Eh? Nuggets are move shy. So I go on mechanic where you start out the car. I start out the pool of the mushy.
See?
You can't find it. You can't pump on me over this.
See?
You can't.
I'll see
You
through
want to see
it.
it?
Through it.
Alright, look. See?
What Jakey?
Jakey there.
Wanna see? Wanna see?
Jakey there.
Wanna see?
You want to see? Alright, look now. I say one. One stay and say Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life.
And make sure you stay in school.
Make sure you stay in school.
Alright. Jakey, know that. School. You school. Okay. So you not keep party?
No, my friend.
My friend keep kids party.
Yeah.
It big?
So the pool is gonna blow up.
I got me interest.
I pool is.
Pull the dick, man.
The spring?
Yeah, no good man. Just a walk it.
What's something we put now in this?
Mango tree, but no mango time yet.
You want one big apple?
Put them on now. Somebody didn't know, you know.
Broke you one, broke your life? You can't sit down in Oh, can you?
No, don't go place we see you can't do this and you have to go pub.
Me have to carry?
She have to go
You have to go to the question, I mean, I'll go for everything. See, you have to go bring this on the road to get it from. So, these some room last side of that country. So now you're done. Chelsea! Why engineer something put that?
What? Why brain now where?
Oh, I know wake up.
You go for you tech.
I know wake up.
Why them engineer?
Pump now.
Where you want? Pump for work. And that's something at the bar make pump. And that can go over too.
Yeah, well, we.
Who's that for?
So when we need the work to push down.
You're not too fast.
No, that. Yeah. What,
You see, but they don't go, sir.
So I don't know, sir. Yeah, but this.
What, Jack?
It's too way name the man.
So they said the pump for the kids then.
Small.
You say you go swim? And you have a swim? You can swim? Oh, you know what I mean?
Oh, so you have a whole pen. No,
so
you need that.
So easy, the man come.
You want something more small, no part of the pen. You want the other part of the pen.
Voila.
Long time pen.
Another pen, man, out of style, man. Pen they are fine.
Once when you are swimming up big.
You see me? Big. Ready for your car?
Yeah.
Wow. Supposed to come out of the pool.
Man, you're a swim champion, man.
So Biggs, you ready to swim? Biggs, you know I'm swim suit already.
Ree. So big up Jamaica, good life.
Big up Jamaica.
So where you run go? Where you run to? Up in the camera shy. Come here, Riri. Riri, come here. Up in the camera shy. You're not shy. No, you're not shy. Yeah, give them one pretty smile. And stop giving them a Life in sea view. Yeah. Look at trees. Curved tail asleep.
Name Follower.
Follower.
He apart from yesterday to today. Yeah, well, Follower. That's me, my mom was a follower.
Hey, follower, wake up.
Follower.
Follower,
road time.
Yeah.
Ready to follow.
Follower in the early morning. Where I cook follower?
Yeah, see my beard. Every water time run through. Now man, you know that high.
Follower.
Dog is like the most lucky.
Ah, yeah.
It's old. Half and bag right now. Oh, yeah, dog. Yeah. Yes, the bomber. Then they kill dog. Get touch it. Come see my run. Bite, you know.
Yeah.
Fuck them up. Stand up more. Use that money. We're going to fuck the body, girl. Not more than jam them blood. Right, I said that boy, yeah. Yeah. Boy, yeah. Bite out him ball. So that boy ever take him and get him. Well, no people in the animal.
So what you call that in that bag, young man? What you call that in that bag? What's the name of it? So bag water. That's our water in a bag. Water in a bag. Water in the bag. Bag water. See there, a dash water now.
Alright, you see this?
I just not added.
The first time pull up on
program, yeah.
You see birthday are the them thing.
Yes. I program that.
Church my birthday, you know. You see what?
And you see it a clock as well.
Ganja.
It's a Jamaica good life.
Yeah, smoking ganja. Early morning, you don't have to get up. One is fried.
Different.
Like you split, then you go to work.
Oh, a different lifestyle like Kingston, you know. And so look after the breakfast.
Yeah, keep up cook out.
Cook out the ground, man.
Oh.
It's as simple as a lifestyle.
Oh.
You see me? So it's an everyday thing. So it's like a boat run, like the same thing.
Oh, yeah. Can't do it, man, cause...
But some people say must be they think they keep me active, isn't it?
Hey, good life dancer. Jamaica good life. Hey. Chop. Yeah. The Jamaica good life.
Jamaican good life, you know?
Yeah.
Problem squad.
Aye.
Yeah.
You know, me see one black one here, it is it.
That girl what?
I said him. Look like lizard. This one I sit down and catch her.
Flood. Yeah. That girl what that?
Oh, you know, foot. Yeah, it look like lizard. See one
dangerous enough.
Where's the thing by there?
Yeah, man.
I use me.
This body is hard to catch a foot butter and go. Can't out of say there.
First one, see something.
Yeah,
foot on them. Right now, I see them with like work.
Them smaller, them kind of bigger one, them not shine on them, it's big like lizard. You see me? I first me I see one son near up to you and them normally I run from you. No, yellow one.
Yellow one.
Yeah, man, it's different. That's different creature. Them living at the wall.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then, after you're done with that, it says 172 videos here. So in Season 2, we really have 172 videos. Find the playlist. Now, what you should do is talk to your family members and say, hey, show me how to get to the playlist. And you click on this same white icon, and then what you do is just click on the playlist. So if I wanted to play Patrick stuff, I would enter here. Always come down and hit the playlist to select the episode you want.